In this conversation between Alex and Emily showcases their shared interests and highlights the joy and fulfillment that hobbies can bring to our lives.
Hey, Emily. How have you been spending your free time lately?
Hi, Alex. I've been keeping busy with my favorite hobbies. What about you?
Nice. I've been doing the same. I've been really into playing the guitar recently.
That's awesome. I love music too. I've been learning to play the piano.
That's impressive. Piano is such a versatile instrument. What else do you enjoy doing?
Well, I'm also a big fan of hiking. There's something exhilarating about being out in nature.
I totally get that. I enjoy hiking too. It's a great way to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of daily life.
Exactly. It's like a breath of fresh air. Have you ever tried rock climbing?
Yes, I have. It's one of my favorite outdoor activities. The adrenaline rush you get when you reach the top is unbeatable.
Wow, that sounds thrilling. I'll have to give it a try sometime. Another hobby I love is painting.
Painting? That's cool. What kind of paintings do you like to create?
I mostly paint landscapes and abstract art. It's a form of relaxation and self-expression for me.
That's amazing. I've always admired people who can paint. Have you ever thought about showcasing your artwork?
I have, actually. I've participated in a few local art exhibitions. It's always a rewarding experience.
That's fantastic. You're really talented, Emily. Another hobby I enjoy is reading.
Reading is wonderful. It's like embarking on a new adventure with every book you pick up.
Exactly. I love getting lost in a good story. Do you have a favorite genre?
I enjoy a variety of genres, but I'm particularly fond of mystery novels. There's something captivating about solving a puzzle.
Mystery novels are intriguing. I'll have to borrow one of your favorites sometime. It's been great chatting with you about our favorite hobbies, Emily.
Likewise, Alex. Let's make plans to enjoy some of them together soon.
Hope you people understand it clearly. So please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting video.